The Rapesco P1100. Features include an extended handle to help you punch a high volume of paper with no effort. Its self-centering paper guide is set up not only for 2-hole punching, but also for 4. Punch boards should be rotated every 30 to 50 punches. Spare punching cutters and boards are always at hand in the pop-open storage compartment. Changing both the punching cutters and the boards will keep your power punch in its best condition. Thanks to the hollow punch technology, you can now easily punch through large volumes of paper with little effort. Emptying its confetti drawer is quick and easy. For speed and convenience, choose the P1100 hole punch.